Will the stand your ground doctrine protect you if you hurt an attacker instead of running away? The stand your ground doctrine is adopted by about 28 states, and what it says is you can use reasonable force, including deadly force, to protect your own life or the life of a loved one without having this duty to retreat or run away from the place you're at the time of the threat. So you don't have to be in your own home necessarily, as long as you've got a legitimate reason to be where you are. So if you're breaking into somebody's house or building or something like that, it's not going to apply. You need to be there legitimately. So what this means is these states will essentially give you a kind of immunity if you protect the lives of yourself and your loved ones from an attack instead of running away. Most of these states also have some sort of immunity that protects you from the attacker suing you in civil court afterwards in certain self-defense situations. Now, on the other hand, about 6 states say the civil remedies are unaffected by the self-defense law. So what that would mean if you are, say, at work, somebody comes in and attacks you, you shoot them, they're injured. The law may well say that you were protecting yourself from an immediate threat of deadly harm, bodily harm, and so you're not going to be prosecuted in criminal court. However, the person you shot could still sue you in civil court. Now, for their personal injuries, whether or not they win, that's a second question, but you would still have to go through the process of a lawyer and discovery and trial and all those other unpleasantries. Now, finally, in about 13 or so states, there's still a duty to retreat. So what that means is, let's use a situation again. You're at work, somebody comes in and confronts you. If you can safely run away and not engage this person, then you've got to do that. If you don't, you might be prosecuted in criminal court. So that would definitely be a very bad thing. Finally, even in these states that want you to run away, the situation's a little different. If you're in your own house, most states have a law related to the castle doctrine, which I'll talk about here in another video next. Thanks very much for watching.